So what's the difference between wearing glasses and doing exercises? Okay, wearing glasses is a correction. It corrects the defect or the refractive error, that's the scientific term, of your eyes. And this is an ongoing thing. It is just a correction. It is not a cure. It is not, nothing is restored. Vision training, on the other hand, is completely different. We are talking about restoring your vision back to the way nature intended it. No if, no but. The drawback with this is that you have to do the exercises. It's not something I can do for you. It's like losing weight. You cannot outsource that to India. You have to do it. And it's the same thing with this. So if you do the exercises, and there are only 2 or 3 exercises that you most likely need to do, if you do them the way that they're instructed here, then you are most likely going to get the result. And you will be very happy that you did it. And there's no side effects, there's no long-term problems with it. At worst, if your vision deteriorates because of what you do, too much computer work or whatever, then you can just restore it back. You maintain it, that's the worst that happens. And I have been doing this now for 18 years. And my own eyesight, I restored that 23 years ago. I've had perfect eyesight ever since, for reading, for distance, and whatever. I can still see the bottom line of the eye chart. And you can too.